Welcome to ClickMyProject. The title of the project is Statistical Characterizations and Environment Modeling of Impacts of Water Quality. The abstract of the project is water quality is important to assess the ecological quality of temporary bonds, services as a bad sanctuary, especially the influencing the bond environment. The influence of major pollution sites were assessed using hemometric methods, namely cluster and discriminations analysis. Levels of lead, chromium, vanadium, and cadmium were determined in both water and sediment samples. In addition, chemical oxygen demand was also determined for the water samples. The statistical methods indicated the major parameters discriminating the sampling site's characteristics and showed the seasonality in the dataset. So we collecting different kind of water with the specification is previously and mixtures of mineral and organic materials plus air and water. The contents of water vary by locations and constantly changing. Input can be gathered as a text file or Excel files format to train further progress. According to the weather locations, area has been categorized by making all values to analyzing the work. Next, we saw the details of the data flow diagram. First, we take the water quality. So I need the 3 water level. First one, well assessment data. Second one, bone water level. Third one, well inside. So these are data set. So we collect the informations about 3 water level. These data are uploaded in the database. Actually, these data set are in unstructured format. So we are pre-processing the data set and finally uploaded in the database. Calculating mean value for 3 water level. For comparing the 3 water level, for which one is best, and second one extracting the data from data. Third one is defining the rules for calculating the mean value for 3 water level. So we use the classification algorithm for water level quality. And fourth one is calculate the function specification from classification rules. This function is used for calculate the accuracy result for 3 water levels. Finally, we get the water predictions. So which water is best in the bonds, and calculate using performance evaluations graph. According to the constraints, we calculate the mean value for using the classification. Next, we saw the details of the data flow diagram. First, we take the water quality. So I need the 3 water level. First one, well assessment data. Second one, bone water level. Third one, well inside. So these are data set. So we collect the informations about 3 water level. These data are uploaded in the database. Actually, these data set are in unstructured format. So we are pre-processing the data set and finally uploaded in the database. Calculating mean value for 3 water level. For comparing the 3 water level, for which one is best, and second one extracting the data from data. Third one is defining the rules for calculating the mean value for 3 water level. So we use the classification algorithm for water level quality. And fourth one is calculate the function specification from classification rules. This function is used for calculate the accuracy result for 3 water levels. Finally, we get the water predictions. So which water is best in the bonds, and calculate using performance evaluations graph. According to the constraints, we calculate the mean value for using the classification algorithm. So this is the major concept of this project. Next we saw the demo of this project. Click the next button. In this project we have used 3 water level. First one, water assessment data. Click the read button. This is the details of water assessment data, and this data is stored in database for calculating the mean value. And click the next button. The second frame is calculate the mean value for water assessment data. Click the calculate button. This is the mean value of water assessment data. This water temperature, pH. So number of parameters is calculated by mean value. Then click the graph button. This is the comparison graph for each parameter in the water assessment data, and this is the accurate result. So water assessment process is over. Click the next button. Second, we calculated well assessment data. Click the read button for reading the file from well assessment data. These are the parameters of well assessment data. That particular values is stored in the database. These files are unstructured, so the data is pre-processing by value and stored in database. And click next button for calculate the mean value. Click the calculate button. These are the parameters of well assessment data, and click the graph button for finding the accuracy result for each parameter in this project. This is the accuracy result. And third one, we calculated the bore water level. Click the next button. Third frame is bore water level, and click the read button and read for bore level water data and stored in database. This is the mean value for bore water level quality. The value is calculated. So this is the value for bore water level, and click the next button. And this is the comparison graph for finally bore water level. In this project we analyzed 3 water level and get the comparison graph.